Today you will learn the secret of the Outback onion in 3 minutes. You will need a large onion. Let's cut it into strips. If you don't have a support like this, you can cut it crosswise. Take care not to break the onion, so don't take the knife to the stalk. Do this 10 times so that you have these petals. To remove the acidity of the onion, we will put it in a dish with hot water. Turn it upside down and count 1 minute. Then place in a bowl with ice water. Wait another 3 minutes. Open the petals carefully. Remember, this process will remove the acidity from the onion. After 3 minutes, remove the onion from the dish. Notice that the petals are softer. Now, let's bread it. On a platter, place wheat flour and breadcrumbs in equal portions. Also add smoked paprika, black pepper and salt. Mix everything until smooth. You can vary the proportions and seasonings according to your taste and onion size. In another dish, place 3 eggs, half a spoon of vinegar and beat with a fork. You must mix it well, until it looks like this. Add approximately 1½ cups of milk and mix well. Now, take the onion and cover with the dry mixture. Open the petals well and fill with the flour. This will make it very crispy and tasty. Then, soak the onion with the beaten eggs. Leave it well wet between the petals. Now another layer of flour, always removing the excess. Finally, another layer of beaten eggs. Keep it wet, and now the last of flour. It's time to fry. With the help of a slotted spoon, place the onion upside down in the hot oil. Caution! Do not overfill the pan with oil so that it does not spill onto the stove. Stir a little so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. After a few minutes, flip over to fry the other part. After it's golden and with that crust, it's time to take it out. Drain the oil well, and place a serving tray. With the help of a little bit, remove the brains. You can serve it with your favorite sauce. Now just enjoy this crunchy recipe. Do it at your house and tell me how it turned out. I see you next time.